Hey guys, welcome to Drupal Learn. Today we are going to see how to use a commerce node pay module to buy a commerce node. This specific use case comes into picture whenever someone tries to post an ad. Let's say a user want to post an ad in the form of a node and he posts the node and then he pays for that advertisement, and upon completion that node gets published, and as long as the payment is valid, let's say for a month or two or whatever the subscription plan that is opted for, that nodes remain published and his ad gets published on the website. And once the time expires, the node gets automatically unpublished. Let's get started. For this, I've already enabled the commerce module and I've created a few products on my own. Let's fire up the terminal. And I'm using ddev. So let's start with ddev dash ULI. Let's copy the URL. Let's fire up Chrome, paste it. And as you can see, I've already enabled the necessary commerce module and even created a few products. Let's say 60-day listing and 90 days listing. If I edit this, it will just have a variation that will have for the 60 days variation. I'm charging 1 USD. Likewise, for the 90 days variation, I'm charging 1 USD and 50 cents. Now let's go ahead and enable our custom module. I've already put in place the custom module. It is called Commerce Node Pay. So it is a node module for purchasing a node for ad publishing. Let's go ahead and enable this module. The module is enabled, and let me flush the cache once. Once the module is enabled, if you go under the commerce configuration section, you will get a settings form stating commerce node purchase settings. So I've given detailed description on what should we do after the module is enabled. Let me brief it. So what is the content type you are trying to make it as a paid version? So all the content types that is already available would be there. In addition, I've created a new content type so that specific to this module. And also, what is the type of product variation you want to tag with that particular content type. In this, I have chosen the default product variation type. If you have created multiple product variations in your website, choose it accordingly. By default, this paid classifieds node is tagged to the default product variation type, by which means if we go to, there is a content type that would be created called paid classifieds. If I go to this paid classifieds, you can see there is a title and a body and a banner. Let's say the user wants to post a banner showing his achievements. I've given a image field for that and the plan selection. This plan selection actually lists the products that I've created earlier. So if you have chosen a different product variation type here, whatever the products that are listed under that product variation type would have been tagged here. Now, if you read the description beneath this product variation type, by default product variation type is chosen. If you wish to change it, you can choose it. But at the same time, you need to inject a necessary trait, which is nothing but how long those field that particular product should be valid for that particular node. So in order to inject this trait actually comes from the custom module, which is nothing but the field duration days. So based on the product name, let's go to products first. As you can see, 60 days listing and 90 days listing. Now let's go to the product variation types. Let's edit the default one and just check this field duration. This is necessary in order to keep the reference between the content type and the commerce product variation. Let's check this and say, now let's go ahead and try to add a content for the particular content type. Let's go to paid classifieds. Let's say the title is freelance web developer, and let's search for ad for freelance web developer. Let's just copy this in order to make it look like a legit ad. Yeah, and if you want a banner included, else no problem. And let's choose the plan selection. For now, I'll go with the 60 days listing. Once you click this, instead of save, it asks for save and proceed to payment. Let's click this, and once you do that, the node gets created, and at the same time the node gets added to the cart. So if you click on this, go to the cart, as you can see the 60-day listing is listed here. Now at the same time, if you go to the content and check for the node's been created, but it is always in unpublished state. Now let's go ahead, and for the payment, in order to show you this works with the valid payment, I've already integrated PayPal module here. Either you can click checkout here, and it's the next phase you have to pay it via PayPal, or you can go ahead directly with the PayPal here. Let's go with the checkout and check for anything, everything is right, and go to the continue to review, and then you choose for PayPal. Now you need to log into your PayPal Sandbox account. Let me add those credentials. Let's log in. Once logged in, as you can see in the PayPal balance, it is trying to debit $1. So if you click on complete purchase here, once the purchase is completed, as usual, it would say the billing information and the rest of the details. Now if I switch back to the content tab and see it's already unpublished, if I refresh this page, it is automatically published. Now if I even access this node in an incognito mode, as you can see, the ad is being published. Now I've also made sure that written a cron job, ensuring that since it is a 60-day payment model, once the 60 days completed, this would automatically be revoked and go back into an unpublished state. And at the same time, the user may not try to edit the plan so that it is valid only for the particular 60 days of duration. I'll be happy to share the custom module over GitHub. If any queries, do respond in comments. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn Drupal Way. Thank you.